Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove uninstalled app from App Store. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Once opened, then confirm your Face ID. If you set up a Face ID authentication, click on the profile icon at the top right. Locate and click on Purchase History. Once you selected Purchase History, then hang on a couple of seconds for the purchase history to load. Now go ahead and click on Apps, then hang on, select all apps. Once you selected all apps, you should see all applications you have installed on your iPhone. Now, to remove uninstalled app, come to where you see not on this iPhone, click on it. Then you should see all the applications you've installed on your iPhone. Then to remove them, just locate the application and then swipe left. Then you should see hide. Go ahead and click on that. And this is going to remove the uninstalled application from your iPhone. You see that? So you can do this on all the applications you want to remove from your uninstalled list. And once you're done, go ahead and click on done at the top right. And that is it. So that is exactly how to remove uninstalled apps from App Store. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.